very commonly asked question for a dentist is, which toothpaste should I use and which toothbrush should I use? Yes, it is a very important question. So today I will be telling you which would be an ideal toothpaste and which would be an ideal toothbrush. An ideal toothpaste should contain at least 1000 ppm of fluoride in it. 1000 ppm means that is 1000 parts per million. So that is the minimum requirement for a toothpaste to be used. The fluoride helps in preventing new decay. Not only that, a toothpaste should not contain sodium lauryl sulfate. That is in short form it is known as SLS. These agents are said to be harmful for your soft tissues as well as for your general health. Sodium lauryl sulfate is nothing but foaming agent which is seen in soaps, detergents and other detergents like washing powder, the liquids, hand washes and so on, which is not to be ingested and it is not safe for your general health. So if these two requirements are met, then you can choose any toothpaste of your choice, any brand, I'm not going into the commercial name. You can use any brand toothpaste as long as it has fluoride in it and it doesn't have sodium lauryl sulfate. Coming to the toothbrush, there's a general perception that you should be using medium bristled toothbrush. That is not true. It is always the soft toothbrush which is recommended for a normal adult. For some patients who have sensitivity in their teeth, we may recommend ultra soft toothbrush. Also, when some surgeries like gum surgeries or extraction of the teeth are done, we may recommend for few days ultra soft toothbrush. Otherwise, it is always the soft bristled toothbrush which is recommended. What happens if you use medium or hard brush? If you use medium or hard brush, of course it will clean the teeth, but also it will abrade a layer of your teeth. The outer layer of your teeth slowly gets abraded and it will ultimately result in sensitivity of the teeth. So that is why we don't recommend hard or medium bristled toothbrush. It is always soft toothbrush which is recommended. Not just that, you should also make sure that you are cleaning the area in between two teeth. This is not possible with any toothpaste or toothbrush. Even though bristles are very small or very thin, it may not reach the surfaces in between the teeth. We need special brush for this, which is called as interdental brush. Or flossing is also recommended, though it is not as effective as interdental brush. So the three things what you need to remember here is, the ideal toothpaste is the paste which contains 1000 ppm of fluoride, the paste which doesn't contain sodium lauryl sulfate, and coming to the brush, it is the soft brush which we need to use, and use of interdental brush. If you use this, you can be assured that you may not develop any decay or any gum problems. So if you have any questions regarding toothpaste or toothbrush or brushing technique, kindly post in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.